What's up, guys? So today we're exploring this southern Victorian mansion. It was built in 1895 by the local town judge, and it stayed in his family for almost 100 years until the 1980s when they finally relocated. Which is crazy to think about because this place has been sitting abandoned for almost 40 years. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. It's amazing Victorian mansion. Look at all the attention to detail on the woodwork. This is a huge porch. I love the blue ceiling in the porch. This is a very low chandelier coming to the front door. You almost hit your head on it. Wow, look at that woodwork. Like a little foyer area before you even walk into the front door. Stained glass. This is a very fancy Victorian mansion. Love this old fan. Wow. Very impressed so far. This is a big wraparound front porch. From the street, it looks like it goes around the entire house. It's very clean too. There's no vandalism, that no one's knocked out any of the windows. All right, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go inside. Oh yes. I can already tell this is gonna be a good one. I love the smell of an abandoned home. It smells like old wood and mildew. Wow, look at this. A clawfoot tub. Yeah, the floor's a little soggy, even in here. I love the wallpaper. It's very like 1950s. Wow, look at this fireplace. It matches the pink flowers on the wallpaper. Another floral item in the house. Very outdated bathroom in here. Another shower. Oh, I love this angled room here. It's so cool. I love old architecture from houses like this. This fireplace. With the blue tile. Look at the border up here. Very cheesy wallpaper border. Going through this entire room. I love these double doors. Very like mid-century modern. Love this woodwork on the walls here. A lot of attention to detail in these old houses. Wow. So I think this is the dining room. I think this is the china cabinet. Look at that. Yeah, definitely the dining room. Again, this old tile, it's like a blue-gray tile. Here's the kitchen. Very like old country style kitchen. Very fitting for this region we're in the United States. imagine it's all empty. Yeah. I love the lighting in this place too. Again, I love old houses because they're so well lit. They were all built without electricity in mind. Lots of natural lighting. Oh my God, look at this stained glass window. Wow. Curtains still on the windows. Again, another tile fireplace. Ceramic tile. I'm loving the floral wallpaper in this place. I really like that look. This is very picturesque. The wood coming through the drywall. Man. Very impressed with this place. Look at this tile. It's really pretty. So much detail. Look at the gold border up there. It goes around the entire room. Again, another stained glass window. Look at this chandelier. It's very like Art Deco-y. One of the most common items that I find is pianos in abandoned buildings. They're very ornate. They're nice to have, but a pain in the ass to move, which is why I think they get left behind. Also, check it out. There's more floral wallpaper. It's very inviting. It's not even like a feminine feel. It's just very inviting. Light and airy. Oh my God, look at this stairway. Whoa. This is one of the coolest stairways I've come across in an abandoned house before. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this house. Also, look at the sliding doors. Partitions off the room. I believe they're called recessed doors, where they go inside the wall like that. Look how thick that wall has to be in order to have that. That's at least like 1.5 feet thick. Another fireplace with tile. This is psychedelic before psychedelic was a thing. So check it out. These are pump organs, or I think that's what they're called. Basically, they work on air. So as you play, you pump with your foot here. Hear it? That's one of the keys working. Maybe it's a B flat. It's amazing. It still works. And look at this arched. I guess this is like a reading area. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like this in an abandoned home before. So much detail in this place. I love this old chandelier. Again, very Art Deco. It reminds me of like the 1930s. So this is the front door. This is when you first walk in the house. This is what you see. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's see what's up here. I hope these stairs make really cool sounds as I walk up them. Oh yeah. it's pretty hot up here. The rug's still here. Look at the detail on the woodwork. This thing's been painted and stained over so many times throughout the years. Oh my God. This circular window. There's so much that I've never seen in an abandoned house before. And this is one of those things. Look at this, guys. Again, another fireplace with pre-psychedelic tiles. More ornate woodwork. Another little nook for reading or what have you. Yeah, this is cool. A little magazine storage. Ironically enough, Better Homes magazine, American Home. Wow, these are dated 1979. This one's 1970, 1977. Southern Living, 1992. You can't live in a house like this without having a deep appreciation for homes. So there's a wardrobe. Oh, there's 3 rooms up here. It's a pretty non-ornate fireplace. You can tell there was tile here before though. What's behind door number 1? There's a bathroom up here. Another clawfoot tub. Yeah, it's steamy up here. And another bathroom. This is the stairway when we first came in. Another clawfoot tub. Bathroom. I think that's 5 bathrooms I've counted so far. Another rug on the floor. What's behind door number 2? Pretty large attic space. I hope you guys are about to witness someone falling through a floor. This is very old artwork in here. It's crazy. A lot of old frames. Man, people would pay good money for some of these frames. I wonder if this hung above the piano or the organ at one point. Makes you wonder. Ah, I love this frame. This is very old. It used to be gold, and now it's brown. There's an old chest. What's in this chest? Old bedding. Look at this. It's someone's name on it. Swift's. Look at the old rope handles on the side of it. It's a treasure chest. All right, I'm getting out of here. So there's one more room over here in the upstairs that I want to check out. The most colorful room so far. This is my favorite room. Look at these windows. Here's a better view of the woodwork on the windows. Oh, I like this. So it's pink and yellow. And one lone piece of artwork. So this home, it stayed in the family for almost 100 years. And I wonder if this was a relative of the family. Look how the photo is pretty desaturated, but then her eyes are so blue and piercing. Man, I love this woodwork of the stairs. This carpet on the stairs is like very, very royal. I feel like I'm somebody when I walk down these stairs. So I think we've covered pretty much every square inch of this place. There's not a whole lot to it other than just like the magnificence of this Victorian style build. But yeah, I mean, this video is probably a lot shorter than most of my videos, but it packs a punch. I've never found a place quite like this, but I say that about every place that I go, but it's true, they're all so different. I think that's one of the things that I love so much about exploring abandoned places, that you never find the same thing twice, you know? At any rate, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, like, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing, and until next time, I'll see you later.